Hey everybody, Ron here. We've just added rain barrel system to our greenhouse, put vinyl guttering up, elevated the barrel up high enough so it'll create a lot of pressure into the greenhouse. Right now we're just filling it up with the water hose, get it full for the first time, and then when it starts raining it'll keep it full for us, hopefully. Underneath is where I tapped it instead of through the side, just a matter of choice, I guess. And then I ran it into the greenhouse, and she can just hook a water hose up to it. The rest of the video is just going to show how well it's working, and it works great. Alright everybody, this is Ron. You're looking outside the window of our new greenhouse. It's finally finished. That is the rain catch barrel. We got it popped in to the inside the greenhouse so Penny can water her flowers and plants and all that. I don't know if you can see up in there, but there's guttering. I ran gutter the full length of the roof of the shop, which washes down when it rains. It washes down in there. So we got our nice little hose, and there's Penny. Say hey, Penny. Hey, Penny. and it works real well. It's all just gravity fed. You know, it's not, you know, you ain't gonna power wash the house with it, but you know, it's 55 gallons of water pushing down on it, and I've got it higher than where she's mostly going to be spraying, so she should have a good flow to water her plants. And she ain't got to keep carrying buckets of water out here or stretching a 150 foot of hose. And let's go close up that thing spraying. That thing actually sprays. It's a pretty good flow of water. Of course, I know as the barrel empties, it'll probably get a little weaker, but that thing's doing great. Alright guys, well, there it is. There's Ava. And say hey, Danica.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hey, Ava.
And anyway, there we go. Got our watering system. You have a good day.